All right, these are just my pork sausage links that I cooked and cut up into 3 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and put them back on my plate. We're gonna add those later. Perfect. Get a bowl and a whisk. I have here some Martha White blueberry muffin mix. This stuff is only $1 at Smith's and it tastes delicious. Now you can make your own muffin mix if that's your style, but I couldn't pass up $1 muffin mix. So I added a 1/2 cup of water. All right, make sure it gets well mixed. This is looking just about right. Yummy. Perfect. Put this to the side. Grab a muffin tin. And you're gonna wanna spray your entire muffin tin. Because we want those muffins to come out super easy and clean. Beautiful. Grab your muffin mix, grab a scooper, and we are gonna go ahead and scoop this muffin mix right into our muffin pan. Super easy. Quickly get your muffin mix in there so we can have breakfast ready. We're actually making kind of like a little brunch today, and it's gonna be so good. This first part only needs 2 ingredients, muffin mix being 1, and then those sausage links being another. Now these are not getting as full as I would like, so I'm gonna add a little bit more, make sure they're filled 3/4 of the way. And the great thing about this muffin mix is that it makes the perfect 6 muffins. And that's all we need for today. We only have 6 people dining with us. Okay, almost done. Perfect. So we filled up 1/2 of our muffin tin with our muffin mix. Now, bring back those sausages that we cut up, and we're gonna place these right in the middle of our muffins. And this is just gonna give the most delicious, savory, sweet taste in your mouth. So good, so easy, and delicious. Okay. Just 1 in each. You could do more if you'd want, but I just like having a little surprise in the center, and then we have some sausage breakfast for later. Now, we could just pop these in the oven and be done, but I know that 1 muffin is not gonna fill up our guests. So let's go ahead and grab some eggs. Got some eggs here. I have 6 eggs because we're filling up 6 muffin holes. Now I'm gonna grab some cottage cheese. And we are going to pour a good amount of cottage cheese right into our eggs. We probably could have just done 5 eggs because we are adding a good amount of items into our eggs. And these will fill up super quick. Now I'm gonna grab some cheddar Gruyere, and we're gonna shred that right into our eggs. Super quick and easy. Super quick and easy. I might have used the cheese shredder wrong the first time, but you know, I found my way, and that's all that matters. And just add as much cheese as you would like. This cheese is super soft, so sometimes it is hard to shred, but once you get it going, it's worth the trouble. If you've never had Gruyere cheese, you are missing out. It's my favorite cheese, especially for breakfast. Okay, that looks like plenty. Just make sure you get all that off of the grater. Now, last but not least, you gotta add some bacon. It is breakfast. I just have these real bacon bits that I'm just gonna sprinkle in there. A little bit more than that. Okay, it's about 1/2 the bag. It is time to whisk this up, and I'm doing this all in my measuring cup so that we can easily just pour it into our muffin tin. Really get everything scrambled together. Oh my gosh, this mixture is gonna be so delicious. That cottage cheese just really brings a new level to your egg bites. If If you haven't tried that trick yet, you need to try it. Just get everything well blended. Okay, that is looking delicious, you guys. We got the cheese, we got the bacon, cottage cheese. It's gonna be amazing. Now, remember we already greased our pan. Flip it to the other side. And now we're gonna have a complete breakfast. Perfect. And these ones can be filled up pretty big. And the last one's gonna get all the goodies. Beautiful. All right, breakfast is ready for the oven. So I have my oven set to 350 and these are both gonna cook for just 40 minutes. It's super quick and you have it all in one pan. Look at these. Oh, everything smells so good. It's literally like a little breakfast buffet. Okay, before we pop these out, I definitely am gonna want some maple syrup for my muffin. Ooh. Okay, thought I wasn't gonna be able to get that open. Just put it right there for dipping. Beautiful. Now let's pop these out. I want this beautiful one right here. Remember, we greased the pan so they come out super easy. And then we gotta get an eggy. I think I want this one. Woo! Trying to escape me. All right. Let's move this to the side. Start with that muffin. See that sausage in the middle. Ooh, look at that delicious sausage. Okay, time to try a bite. Get this nice and cut. Those blueberries really turned blue. Usually blueberries are purple, but they are blue today. Dip it in our syrup. And time to, here. That is delicious. All right, let's get a little bit of that egg bite too. Yeah, look at that. Perfectly cooked egg bites. Oh my goodness. Okay, why do I even have a fork? These are egg bites. You just grab it with your hands. These are even better than the muffins. The perfect breakfast.